Hey everyone, if you're trying to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal, you're in the right spot. Today, I'll guide you through this step by step, so you can handle your finances like a pro. Remember, Cash App doesn't allow direct transfers to PayPal, so we'll go through your bank account. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have both Cash App and PayPal accounts set up, and that your bank account is linked to Cash App. This is key to making the process smooth. Open your Cash App on your phone and log in. Check your balance to confirm you have the funds you want to move. Next, tap on your balance at the bottom of the screen. Select Cash Out or Withdraw Money. Choose the amount you want to transfer and pick your linked bank account as the destination. Double-check the details to avoid any mistakes, then hit Confirm. Keep in mind, this transfer might take 1 to 3 business days to hit your bank, depending on your bank's policies. Once the money appears in your bank account, it's time to head to PayPal. Open the PayPal app or website and log in. Go to your wallet or balance section and look for the option to add money. Select Add Money from Bank or link your bank if you haven't already. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your bank to PayPal and follow the prompts to confirm. This step is usually quick, but fees might apply, so check for any charges up front. After confirmation, the funds should show up in your PayPal balance shortly. And there you have it. Money successfully moved from Cash App to PayPal. Always verify your balances afterward to ensure everything's correct. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money management tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.